Emergency exists.
Today, we will learn about the emergency exist.
Huh?
Focus.
Assalamualaikum. This is my group member of the project. The topic of our project is fire alarm system. Firstly, I want to introduce about 68K. Number 1 is very easy to use because have bigger in memory size. Number 2, popular in embedded system. Number 3, easy to use by the user and compiler. Lastly, complex instruction set. Our main purpose of this project is to develop a system that can provide safety feature in a building. This is the example of the sensor in our project, which is heat sensor. Alarm system can be used in the building by detect the change in the fire or heat. Monitor is built to display information to user to know the operation of the system. 7 segment display on the Easy68K ensemble simulation to display. Lastly, applying Easy68K software to render the code of the related system. Coding and the system by FIRDAUS.
Hi, I would like to explain about coding of this project titled Fire Alarm System. First, we have to declare the components, which means we declare the switch, LED and also the 7 segment. Then, we have to assign initial condition following to the next sequence coding. After that, we apply the main loop for each switch. For this project, we have construct 2 different outputs, which are heat sensor and buzzer alarm. We also construct the LED blinking speed. Then, I would like to show with you the hardware display for this project. For button 0, it would display on for the system. For the button 1, it would show display as heat when the sensor detects appearance of fire. Then, for the button 2, it would show the display as alarm on while the buzzer alarm is ringing. After that, for button 3, it will show display as stop when we turning off the system. And that's all from us. Thank you.